Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a wide angle snap on Snapchat. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to make creative snaps and make it different. So, go ahead and open Snapchat. And as you can see, there's actually no option to make wide angle snaps. So, I found a different way around that. Make sure that you already have a wide angle photo so you can easily post it on Snapchat. And as you can see from this tab right here, you can go ahead and choose a photo or video, but I don't have the wide angle snap, so you're just gonna have to do it on your own. So basically, all you have to do is just select the wide angle snap from here, and then you're gonna want to just post it. That's pretty much all you have to do. Just post whatever you want to your story, to other friends. Just tap on send and customize where you want to send it to. So it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.